Just wanted to hear a little bit about your experience so far and that sort of thing. Is that all right?
Happy to do so.
Yeah. Are you employed full time or do you own a business or what is it that you do?
So I'm employed. Well, funnily enough, when I started the mentorship November last year, I was in security industry, and I was working away quite a lot. So I was working a week on, week off, and predominantly, so it meant I was away for 6 months of the year in total. And actually, just recently, I've actually managed to change my job, where it means I'm at home a lot more. I'm still working away. I mean, I'm sat in a hotel room now, but I'm not working away as much as I used to be. And that's down to the trading. From my first funded account, I've managed to get some debts and stuff paid off, where I've been able to change my job now and be at home a lot more with the family, which is ultimately, the end goal, isn't it? So I'm a step closer to it.
Yeah. So take me back. So you said you were working in the security industry, was it?
I was, yeah. I was doing like close protection security. So I was actually, me and a team of 5 guys were looking after a billionaire's assets, his estate and his family. So we rotated around each week to look after them. So it's like a high profile, an ultra high net worth guy. And we just basically look after him and his estate.
So like, when did you start getting into trading? When was that?
So I first come across trading in 2018. But, like everyone, you get on these YouTube gurus and go and just watching a lot of videos. But then I come across yourselves, I think it would have been April last year. So I was going through like your courses and stuff like that and strategies. And obviously the mentorship program come about. And then I joined that in November. So I'd say from April last year, I've been taking it like pretty serious.
And you came across us through a YouTube video or something like that?
I think it was a YouTube video, yeah. I can't remember exactly. It was either YouTube or Facebook. It was one of the two anyway.
And so you decided to join the mentorship group with Yuya. And so what were some of the stuff that you were dealing with prior? Were you already successfully trading prior to joining the group?
Nah, nowhere near. It was just, that boom and bust cycle. I was just going round in circles, doing what everyone does, changing strategies because it doesn't work and going round and round in circles. And I just wasn't successful whatsoever.
So you had this idea that, hey, maybe I should, get some professional help, learn from somebody.
Yeah, 100%. I think for the training game, you need a mentor. It is possible to do it on yourself, but it'll take a hell of a long time if you're doing it on your own. You definitely need that guidance, and that's why when the program was, created, I looked to join. And
so what has been like some of the main things that you've learned from Yuya, and has it been helpful, by the way?
It's 100% been helpful. Yuya is an absolute brilliant teacher. His strategies and the way he goes through things and like the psychology side of it, then he's explaining things with that. To do with that, it's just I've gone from down here to like up here with Yuya's teaching. He's been absolutely brilliant. I can't really say anymore. He's a fantastic teacher. And what are some of the main takeaways that you thought elevated your game? For me, was like the psychology side of it, and I was bad for over trading and just picking certain times of the day just to trade, and sticking to it and sticking to your strategy and your plan was a big thing for me because I didn't have a plan. I didn't really have a strategy, to be honest. I didn't have anything. I just went in like guns blazing with not a clue what I was doing. It just totally changed the perspective, the way I look at things now. And do you trade with him at all on the live trading sessions? I haven't been so much recently. Well, due to the work commitments prior to me changing my job, I couldn't really get onto the live tradings. So I do watch the recordings. But now that I've changed my job and I do have more time at home, I will be jumping on the sessions with him. And I don't know, I've seen a lot of different things come from the group from you and a lot of the success that you've had. What are some of the results that you've gotten? Have you gotten a funded account? Have you been able to make profits? Yeah, 100%. So with my build up getting to funded accounts, I've had some ups and downs with it. So I did my first funded account I got, it was April this year with FTMO. I got funded account, $100,000 account it was. I made like 12,000, but I got greedy and then I lost it all. Do you know what I mean? Then I ended up losing the funded account, but that was a blessing in disguise. At the time, obviously, I was devastated. It was actually a blessing in disguise because it highlighted a lot of problems that I still had. And then going around, like with you and his psychology side of it, managed to, adjust it adjust my problems and fix them. So I took a couple of months of where I was just, I went back to demoing and was practicing, and the habits that I changed, just making sure that I'd got them embedded into us. And then I managed to get, it was a couple of months ago, I've got another $100,000 funded account with True Forex funds. I've just recently, last week, done a $500,000 funded account. So I'm just waiting on the login credentials for that. And I'm on stage 2 of a $200,000 account with True Forex funds now as well at the minute. So I'm doing all right at the minute.
Yeah. So you got 500,000 through, which prop firm was that?
That was through Blue Forex funds.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Very good.
Them, yeah.
Yeah. Very good. So you're getting the hang of it. I mean, of passing the challenges, getting access to the funds.
Yeah, 100%. And like I said before, with my second $100,000 account, I've been making some good profits, and I've been able to clear off some debts, which has made me change my job. So then I've been at home more. So it's definitely changing my life for the better. I'm slowly getting to where I want to be.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it seems like you've made a lot of progress in a little under a year.
Yeah, so it was a year. It's about a year this month. It's been a roller coaster ride. There's been a lot of ups and downs, but the ups have way out the downs,
Yeah. So are you still doing security, or just doing less of it, or what?
No, actually, I've so prior to security, I actually worked in the oil and gas industry. I used to work offshore quite a lot on the oil rigs. So I've gone back to the oil and gas, but it's mainly on land. Do nowhere near as much work as what I used to. Like I say, I'm away at the minute now, but I'll be back home in a couple of weeks, and then that'll be me till maybe it's January, February next year. Fantastic.
So what would you say to, other people that are thinking about joining, working with Yuya? Would you recommend it? And if so, like what type of people would you recommend it to?
100%. Everyone needs to get onto this training program. It's a must. Like say, I come across it 2018, but it was just YouTube videos, and it's all these so-called gurus with a million indicators on the charts, and which you don't need. They just fill your head full of crap. But you just totally simplifies it, and he guides you in the right direction of exactly where you need to be. I wouldn't be where I'm at now if I didn't have you as a mentor, and for you guys for creating the program. It's been a total life changer, and it will continue to change my life going forward as well. It is a must if people want to succeed in trading.
In your experience of going through it, is there anything that we could do to improve the program or make it better? Or
do you know what? For me personally, I think the program has been brilliant. And actually, as we've been moving forward, there's been things that have been getting added into it as well, which, it's awesome. You've got like the live tradings, like up to twice a day. You've got support there 24/7. You use there for support as well for the one-to-one stuff. It's just, I don't think it can get any better. There's one, I was speaking with Carlos the other week, and I suggested, because predominantly it is a Forex trading, mentorship program, but ultimately we're here to make money. So I suggested maybe having a channel for a passive income. So the money that we make in Forex, we can get some ideas, and we can put it into whatever passive income we can get into. I think that would be a good addition to the program as well. So we can the profits that we're making, we can put into something else that's going to give us another stream of money.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, we can definitely do something like that. Well, I appreciate you, and keep us updated on how things are going with your trading. All right?
Yeah, will do. Not a problem at all.
Talk to you soon.
Nice one. Thanks very much, Adam. See you later.